Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the BOYA MM1 mini shotgun microphone. Let's go. Time for the unboxing and review. Okay, so I decided to purchase this item because in England it's hitting winter now, so it's getting very windy and rainy. So I thought this would be very handy. So after a lot of research and watching loads of videos on YouTube, I come to the conclusion that the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone will be the best alternative for beginners, as it's relatively cheap and compared to the other microphones they have in the market, it matches up pretty well. In the description below, I will leave links to prices and where to purchase this item. So straight out of the box, you get an instruction manual. Included, you get a professional dead cat fluffy windshield. Get the microphone shock mount. Also handy, it comes with two audio output leads. This lead is a 3.5 TRRS connector, which you use for connecting up your microphone to your smartphone. And the next lead is a TRRS 3.5 connector, which you use to connect up your DSLR cameras. The BOYA shotgun microphone is a condenser cardioid microphone. It's made from a rugged metal construction with a 3.5 jack at the back. The shotgun microphone is 81mm length with 22mm diameter. It also comes with a nice carry pouch. So the dead cat fits onto the microphone quite well. It's very sturdy. And the shotgun microphone fits onto the mount perfectly, very tight, with no wobble or any play. And as I'll be using my smartphone to record, I'll be using the 3.5 TRRS connector with the Apple lightning cable attached to the end. Alright guys, so we're in the park. We'll be testing out the sound quality of the mic. This is what it sounds like just recording on my smartphone without the mic. About arm's length away. This is what it sounds like with the mic, arm's length away. So it's not really windy out here, but I've got the dead cat on there. Just going to take the dead cat off now and see what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm recording without the dead cat on, with the mic plugged into my smartphone. What's the quality like? Okay, now I'm going to test it without the mic. So this is without the mic. How does it sound, guys? Leave me a comment below. See you next one. Peace.